Students, how are you? Today I am going to take a class in class 9-10 EFT Unit 8 Lesson 4. My chapter is Lake Baikal. Dear students, please open your EFT page 180. 180 Lake Baikal. Here is the picture. Look at the picture. Look at the picture and you imagine what is it. Can you imagine? Yes. This is a lake. This is a lake. Lake means a reservoir, a long reservoir. Here you can see a lake. This is the largest lake. This is the largest lake in the world, and it is situated in Russia. Dear students, I hope you understand about the lake. At first, I am going to read out the passage. Listen to me. Lake Baikal is the deepest and one of the biggest and most ancient lakes of the world. It is situated almost in the center of Asia. Lake Baikal is a gigantic bowl set at 45 meters above sea level. This grand, enormous, unusual and charming miracle of nature is located in the south of eastern Siberia, in the Boryut Autonomous Republic and region of Irkutsk, Russia. Okay? Listen what I say. Correct your pronunciation. The lake covers 31,500 square kilometer. It is 636 kilometer long and an average of 48 kilometer wide. The widest point of the lake is 79.4 kilometer. The water basin occupies 55,700 square kilometers and contains 23,000 cubic kilometers of water, which is about 1/5 of the world's reserves of fresh surface water. Next para. The average water level in the lake is never higher than 456 meter. The average depth of Lake Baikal is 730 meter and its maximum depth in the middle is 1,620 meter. It would take about 1 year for all the rivers of the world to reach Baikal's basin, and would take 400 years for all the rivers, streams and brooks now flowing into Siberia Lake Sea to do the same. There are hot springs in the surroundings area of Lake Baikal. The quality of the water of these springs is excellent. The lake acts as a powerful generator and a biofilter producing this water. Baikal is a stormy lake. Autumn is the most stormy time. The wind blows in various directions. The weather depends on the wind. If it is blowing from the north, the weather is bright and sunny. The water of the lake looks green and dark blue. But if the winds get stronger, Baikal turns black. Waves rising high with white crest. The beauty of Lake Baikal is exceptional. Dear students, take your khata and write down some word meaning. Listen to pronunciation. Look, this is biggest. This is biggest. Biggest means largest. Situated means located. Gigantic, gigantic means vast, বিশাল. Deepest means maximum depth. Next, basin. Basin means bowl. A big pot. Bowl is a big pot. Excellent. Charming. Excellent. Charming. Surface. 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 Surface means upper part of the land. Surface. ভূমির উপরিভাগ অংশ, উপরিভাগ, surface. Dear students, have you written? Imagine the meaning word and pronunciation. Now, section D, go. Section D, here some word and meanings. Think about miracle. That means miracle. Leitmotif is miracle. Which word is adjusted? Miracle means an act, believed to be caused by God. This is miracle. Follow. Next part, basin. Basin means bowl shape. Basin, bowl. Brook. Brook means small stream. Do basin, small stream. Crest. Crest. Bowl shaped deep cushion filled with water. Exceptional, outstanding. Exceptional, outstanding. Understand? Section E. Look at section E. Here is a location, setting. Now I have done you. I am giving an example. Location means ekhane location আর ইনফরমেশন। লোকেশন কোথায়? লেক হোটেলের রুশিয়া। নেক্সট মিলো সেকেন্ড লেন্থ ওয়াইড ম্যাক্সিমাম ডেপথ হাউ লং ইজ ইট ওয়াইড ম্যাক্সিমাম ডেপথ extent over amount of water. Complete the chart. You are given 5 minutes, complete the chart through the passage. In this way. In this way, complete the charts from the text and passage. Have you done? Today my home task. Make a list section. This is your home task. Make a list. Make a list of attractive features of late vehicle. Make a list attractive features of late vehicle. You will write down from the passage which is the attractive features of late vehicle. আকর্ষণীয় দিকগুলো কোন কোনগুলো দিকে তোমরা এটা থেকে একটা কাছে পেলে। ওকে dear students, with best wishes, take care of your health. Now I am ending my class. Thank you.